Mason Margiela when I'm walking with a bitch. Gucci, Gucci, Gucci kept me flossing on a bitch. Louis, Louis, Louis when I'm talking to a.
What's up, y'all? This your boy O, back with another video. Fresh for Less is the channel. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Today we got an unboxing video. Got my nephew Nandale with me. Got my nephew Reggie with me.
What's up?
They gonna check these out with me.
I don't know it's gonna be heat. Y'all gotta tell us in the comments. No.
Definitely about to be heat. I know what they is, but I ain't seen them yet.
Fresh. Oh.
Start off with the box. The box is crazy.
It got some Jordans on the side and players on the side. My favorite part was the box about this.
This
is my favorite part because this is like it got some players playing. This is like animated and stuff, and yeah, that's fine that they put it in. And they got some shoes.
The 11s.
Yeah, they got the
3s.
Yeah.
The box is real nice.
Told y'all it was about to be heat. And they got I think
retail was $190 on these. Colorway white, storm blue, varsity red, and blue orange, something like that. Yeah, got Nike all over it. Nike, Jumpman's, everything. Let's check out the shoes. Bam!
It's a flash. So what is y'all expected?
Union LA Jordan 1 collab.
See if it's a color section.
Y'all know Union LA. It's a boutique in LA, of course, that sells sneakers and streetwear.
Is they flash?
The shoes come with extra strings. This is like a yellow color string. This is the off-white and black string. First thing you notice if you look at the strings, this is all one shoestring. It's like the yellowish off-white at the bottom and black. This is all one shoestring, which is extremely dope. So it's like, this shoe itself is like two shoes put together. This is like the storm blue Jordan 1s at the bottom and like a band or like a bread one or something like that at the top. That's the difference with the shoestrings. This is supposed to be like a whole nother shoe half up here. The bottom half is supposed to be a whole nother shoe. They got the yellow stitching, like they stitched them together. The leather looks real nice. Got the Union LA tab on the side. And if you look, the Nike sign is suede. This top half is suede. It's like a messed up suede. Yeah, they tried to give the shoe like a worn in look already. But it's like fresh, but a worn in look because the bottom is off white. They're giving it like an aged vintage look. With the off white laces, the off white bottom, blue sole. Yep. The inside of the shoe says Air Jordan on this wood. It says Union on the inside of this one. I don't think y'all can see that, but it says Union on the inside of it. Hang tag, Jumpman hang tag that say Union on it. Adding on to the worn look, if you look at the top of the tongue, it's like foamy up here, like it was split open, which is pretty dope. The leather is really, really nice. Definitely going to wear these with some sneaker shields. Keep that toe box from creasing. My favorite part of the shoe got to be the yellow stitching. Yeah, that look fire right there. That's my favorite part. What's your favorite part of the shoe? My favorite part of the shoe is like kind of the shoelaces, because shoelaces is fire. You probably never seen the shoelaces like that on the shoe. I ain't never seen shoelaces like this before either on the shoe with the. And I go with you too. I like the stitching too because like you never see that in the shoe either. Right, it's like two shoes were stitched together. Yeah.
My favorite part is the white and blue and the stitches.
Yeah, it was a great idea, man. These is probably one of the best Jordan 1s of the year, in my opinion. I like these better than Off-White.
Me too.
And my favorite Jordan 1s was the black and gold patent leathers before I got these. These is now my favorite Jordans. I just love the colorways. I just love a shoe that looks like it ain't supposed to be together. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's how you know it's fun.
That's why these so hard. And I'm going to throw the yellow strings. Can't wait to see how they look with the yellow strings. I've seen pictures, but, you know, I got to do an on foot with these. So definitely on foot video coming soon. Yeah, but don't forget this. Yes, the shoe paper. It's like a blueprint for the shoes, kinda.
And you see this right here? This kind of look like look, the stitching looks like here. It kind of looked like the stitching. It looked like the stitching right here, how they do it and all that.
Yeah, this is like the blueprint right here.
Like,
how they explain how they made
like
the
put
shoes.
your shoes. You can put your shoes on top of it.
So if you get this, make sure.
Definitely a dope collector's item for anybody that collect Jordans or like one.
Yep.
Just for the crazy bop, just for the way the shoe look. I mean, the suede, the leather. These is just too fresh, man.
Yep.
Way too fresh, man. They released these in 2 colorways: the storm blue and the pair with the black. But these was my favorite out of the 2. The black pair got like gray at the top. We'll do those in another video. But today we on these. Yeah, stay tuned, man. More videos coming. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. We signing out.